Is taking a daily ginger shot good for you? Ginger is renowned for its digestive benefits and potential improvements in blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar control. However, concentrated doses may pose risks. Ginger shots are concentrated drinks, typically taken in 1-ounce doses. Ginger is often used as a spice and for medicinal purposes. Cultures globally have used ginger for millennia to treat pain, nausea, colds, and headaches, as well as digestive and nervous system disorders. Ginger's antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and potentially anti-carcinogenic properties are studied for benefits on digestion, arthritis, cancer, and heart health. Its antiemetic effects help relieve nausea. While ginger shots lack specific research, ginger root's general health benefits are well documented, suggesting similar advantages for ginger shots. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerols, shogols, peridols, and zingerones, which provide antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory benefits, aiding in overall health. Research indicates ginger may help with muscle soreness, arthritis, and digestive issues. It also shows promise in controlling blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. Daily ginger supplementation might benefit blood sugar control and cholesterol levels, potentially reducing heart disease risk. However, more human trials are needed for conclusive evidence. The nutritional benefits of ginger shots come from their bioactive compounds. Safety guidelines suggest a maximum of 4 grams daily, but consult a healthcare provider if on medications. To make a ginger shot, puree chopped ginger root with water, strain for juice, and mix with lemon juice. Add cayenne pepper, turmeric, or citrus juice for variations. Ginger has a history of use for ailments like pain and digestive issues. Modern research supports its benefits for digestion, blood sugar control, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Ginger shots are generally safe, but consult a healthcare provider if on blood thinners or diabetes medications. Enjoy ginger shots by combining ginger juice, water, and lemon juice in small portions. 6 health benefits of turmeric. You have to know. Turmeric is a vibrantly colored spice known for its powerful antioxidant, curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin might reduce the risk of diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer, though more human studies are needed. Turmeric supplements, made from the plant's rhizome, may have benefits for metabolic syndrome, reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines in small studies. Depression symptoms could improve with turmeric supplementation, but larger studies are necessary to confirm these findings. Turmeric shows promise in reducing oxidative stress and increasing antioxidants, yet more extensive research is required. Turmeric may aid kidney health and potentially lower albumin levels in urine, indicating less kidney damage, but further studies are needed. While turmeric offers potential health benefits, it's important to consult healthcare providers before starting supplements, especially if taking other medications. This Thai spice has both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Galangal, known as Thai ginger, is a spice in the ginger family with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It's used in South Asian recipes. Galangal is rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing cancer and chronic health conditions. It also contains quercetin and gallic acid. Studies show Galangal may reduce inflammation and pain by targeting chemical pathways, benefiting autoimmune disorders and osteoarthritis patients when combined with ginger. Galangal boosts brain health by improving alertness and focus. It may increase dopamine levels, enhancing spatial awareness and cognitive functions. In people assigned male at birth, Galangal may improve fertility and libido. It also helps those taking SSRIs by improving blood flow and reducing erectile dysfunction. Essential oils from Galangal may prevent bacterial, fungal, and yeast growth. Despite this, its antibacterial efficacy can be influenced by food interactions. Galangal supplements are available, but more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness. Consult a healthcare provider before adding Galangal to your routine. Is pumpkin spice actually healthy? What a dietitian wants you to know. Pumpkin spice, a blend of cinnamon, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice, is more than just a seasonal treat. This spice mix provides numerous health benefits, from supporting digestive health to reducing inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, spices in pumpkin spice protect against oxidative stress, which contributes to diseases like cancer and heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, clove, and cinnamon in pumpkin spice can help manage chronic inflammation-related conditions. Cinnamon, ginger, and cloves also show potential in balancing blood sugar, offering promising benefits for diabetes management. Traditional medicine values pumpkin spice for its gastrointestinal benefits, with ginger notably effective for nausea. Pumpkin spice is low-calorie and can enrich various foods and beverages while offering numerous health benefits. Did you know there are 4 types of cinnamon? Here's how to pick the best one for you. Did you know there are 4 types of cinnamon? Each has distinct flavors and health benefits, perfect for elevating recipes. Cinnamon, harvested from various tree barks, has a rich history in both cooking and medicine. But which type suits your dish? Cassia cinnamon from Southeast Asia is spicy and widely sold in North America. It's linked to numerous medicinal properties. Ceylon cinnamon from Sri Lanka offers anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. Its mild taste makes it perfect for delicate baked goods. Carinthia cinnamon, grown in Indonesia, has a spicy, earthy flavor. It's affordable and often used in cookies and quick bread. Saigon cinnamon from Vietnam has the richest flavor and high cinnamaldehyde content, ideal for smoothies, oatmeal, and savory dishes. Choosing the best cinnamon depends on your recipe and consumption frequency. Ceylon may be best for health, while Cassia offers bold flavor.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.